Hello, guys. As you already know, Christmas is all about spending so much quality time with your loved ones, and the best part of it is baking and having good food to eat. So, I put together this super moist banana bread, and I want to show it to you the recipe. So, in a bowl, we are going to peel off three bananas into the bowl, and then you're going to mash it with a fork or use any other thing available to you to mash it together. We'll then set this aside and take a different bowl where you're going to crack some eggs. One or two eggs is perfectly fine depending on your preference. We'll go in with some sugar, some melted butter, and then we also add in some vanilla essence. Now go in and whisk this very well, mix it all together until you realize that everything is smooth and then there's no lumps with the eggs. Okay, next we'll add in some milk and continue to whisk this. Make sure to mix it so well and make sure everything is well combined. Okay, to be honest and fair with you, I didn't really measure this, but because I knew the quantity and what I was going to do, but I'll make sure to put in some measurements in the description box. The next thing to do is take in some flour and also add in some baking soda, some baking powder, and also go in with some salt. Now sieve all this together on the wet ingredients, okay, and then mix it all very well. Mix it together so well and make sure there are no lumps and there are no powder anywhere. I mean, there's no flour left anywhere. Everything is well mixed. We'll then take in the banana that we already beat and then we introduce it into this mixture. Give it all this a very good stir. When all of this is set and done, set it aside and take in any nut of your choice. Okay, it could be walnut, it could be hazelnut, it could be any nut of your choice. And please do not do what I'm doing, using your hands to crack it up. Do not do that. Okay, so I took in some hazelnut and then I cracked it all into pieces and I just drop it into the mixture, gave it a good mix, and then pour it into my baking pan. Okay, after pouring it into the baking pan, I'm just going to tap it, but before that I'm going to grease my pan with some oil. Make sure every part of the pan is coated with some oil. Okay, and then I'm going to pour in my mixture and then tap it and make sure that there are no air or space anywhere. Okay, everything is just set well. I'll leave this into the baking oven and then bake this for at least some few minutes. Okay, after tapping it, I'm going to just dazzle this with some hazelnuts. I mean, the remaining that I had it just to create some beautiful appearance for it. Then I'm going to just toss it into my baking oven and bake it for about 45 minutes. Yes, and after 45 minutes, this is what we have. So beautiful, the color is so beautiful. I mean, you can just see the hazelnuts and everything just looking so beautiful on it, and I could just bet you that it tastes so amazing. Yes, you could just bake this during Christmas for the kids. I mean, for the family, you can use for breakfast or anything. It's one hell of a cake. You just don't want to miss making it. Okay, I cut this into pieces and you can just fry how moist it looks and how soft it also looks. Will you try this Christmas period? Well, the choice is yours because you're going to just enjoy it. Okay, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking, and I hope you're going to try this recipe. But until then, Merry Christmas in advance and enjoy the holiday season with your family. Love you all, guys. Bye.